नमस्कार आणि योगकार तुमका परत एकदा गोंयकारपणाच्या जस्ट कॅज्युअल ह्या कार्यावळीत आमकां आयज जॉइन जाता कुर्तोरचो आमदार बाब रेजिनाल्ड लॉरेन्को आणि द मेन रिजन फॉर कॉलिंग हिम हियर फॉर द पॉडकास्ट is only his silence in last few years. We have seen Reginald as one of the crusaders of the sitting governments, be it BJP or whoever. He from 2007 to 2022 he was like a live wire in the assembly and outside. He used to take up people's issues and all those things. But since 2022, after he lended his support to the BJP. Some sort of he's gone into the shell. Let us sit with him and find out what exactly is the issue. Reginald Bab, welcome. Yokar tumka amच्या studion. Since 2012 to 2022, you were a strong critic of the ruling dispensation, mostly, and that was BJP. What is the reason that there are so much of issues going around and Reginald is quiet?
See, first upon all, I was one of the MLAs, I'll correct you, who was taking each and every issue vociferously in the assembly. And when I was taking it, the other opposition members had to talk. So they were left with no choice. Sometimes I had some of the members telling me, don't take up this issue, don't take up that issue. I used to take it up purposely. And the other members who didn't want it had to vociferously support me. At least to show the public. But now what has happened is, I have seen, I take the case of activists. I take the case of people who raise issues. I'll tell you one thing. These issues, when the persons who take issue, in times of their need, no one helps them. They have to survive on their own. I just want to ask you one question. One of these fellows who take issues, one of the guys like me who used to take issues, put myself, I will not speak for the others. In times of need, if I had asked somebody for any help, no one would be there to help me. So basically, I for myself and God for all was the outcome of my all activism. And people used to use us and throw us out. Everybody was there. I remember Babush telling me. Babush used to always say, assembly tumhi ulaytai te balkan gazalyo. Loka kit kam kele log tu vote martala, gazal kele vote marpana. And last time am jo gazal kelyo and itli board mali, bobo male mundale te uttale okade. Amge shashtin bobo mundale ami. आणि ते बोब म्हणलं काय ना ते उठताले कोण मेळालं म्हणून इतली पासून आमी बोब मारताले आणि तेन्ना बाबूश मनसरात सांगतालो तुका लोक तुका वोट मारतलो काम केल्यार तूं बोब मान तुका वोट मारपा ना म्हणून वोट आणि इट वॉज अ फॅक्ट मुगेले लास्ट इलेक्शनाक वन पार्टी द सो कॉल्ड जे पार्टीक बुन्याद ना ते पार्टी म्हाका सारको 2 वर्सां म्हजे फाटी लागले at the behest of my own people who were supporting them. And those people who supported them in the election, they won because of those fellows also. तेणी 2 वर्स मुझे फाट लागले सारखे एक सुण्यांक एक खोलू घासना ते फाटी लागते ते भाशेन कॉलेज ते भाशेन मुझे फाटी लागले असो नो प्रॉब्लम people voted for me because I do work. I remember my sarpanch used to always tell me, ex-sarpanch was काम केल्या तू कोणा भिवपा गरज ना म्हण नॉट CM प्रमोद सेज भिवपा गरज तेसो न्ही आमगे सारकी तो म्हणटालो काम केल्यार तुका भिवपा गरज ना काम करना जाल्यार तुका भिवपा गरज आहा सो हांव काम करतालो आनी आजून देखून काम करता आनी सदांच काम करतालो आतां कमिंग टू द पॉयंट taking up issues. When time comes, I take up, I raise issues, I go to the Chief Minister and explain to him, this is that. I do my role. I write letters on each and every issue that comes up to the Chief Minister, to the concerned people. So my basic instinct of taking up issues and going to people's needs, I have not stopped. And one last thing, last elections, I had told my people, हांव जेन्ना लोकां बरी गेलो हांवें लोकांक सांगलें की एक काम करया मगो हे पार्टी हांव कोणागेले इश्यू घेवपा ना कित्याक थोडे आमी आख्खे गोंयचे इश्यू घेताले लोक म्हणटाले तूं गोंयचे इश्यू कित्याक घेता तूं कित्याक पडलो गोंयचें तूं कुडतरेचें चोय कुडतरे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी हांवें लोकांक सांगलें ही पावटी हांव कुडतरी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट जातलो सो कुडतरी कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी डिस्ट्रिक्ट करपाक आनी मुगेली फूल प्रयत्न आसतलो एक मॉडल कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी करपाक हें काम मुगेलें सारकें आहा आनी हे कामान तूं म्हाका खंय हाटी पडलो जाल्यार सांग हांवें लोकांक देखून सांगलो आहा आतां लेट अस सी नेक्स्ट इलेक्शन्स वॉट आय हॅव टू डू वीथ द पीपल वॉट एवर आय टेल द पीपल आय वील डू
Since 2012 to 2017,
Yeah.
you, Vijay and Rohan,
And this fellow also, Savard also.
Sawal also, तुम्ही सारखे गव्हर्नमेंटाक सारखे धारेर दवरलो and all of a sudden in 2017 Rohan and Vijay joined the Parrikar government. You were left alone, you did not join them. Why?
हांव जो तरी दोन व्हड्यांचे पांय दोन ना हांव काँग्रेसी आहलो आनी काँग्रेसी आहलो तेदोना हांव फकत आय वॉज डुईंग द रोल ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन एंड वी वर डुईंग इट सिन्सियरली आनी हांव काँग्रेसी आसतना आमगे सो कॉल्ड काँग्रेस बिग्स वर टेलिंग मी दॅट आय वॉज डुईंग डबल रोल एंड देर वर सम पीपल ऑन फेसबूक ऑल्सो कमेंट मारताले काम करता मनीस केन्ना दुसऱ्यांचे कमेंट मारना आनी जो काम करता दुसऱ्यांक क्रिटिसायज करना ते काम करना आहलो मनीस पार्टीन देखून आहले ते काम करना आहलो मनीस मुजे उलयताले हांव बीजेपीको फेतूर आहा म्हण आमी सिन्सियरली काम केलां आनी फेतूर ना म्हूण सांगपाक एकूच सांगत तुमकां आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी 100 रुपया काम जायना आहलोलें पर्रीकर 100 रुपया काम करना आहलोलो आतां ऑपोजिशन हितून 100 कोट्यांक काम जाता एंड हाव टफ इट वॉज फॉर अस एट दॅट टायम बट ऑपोजिशन म्हणल्यार ऑपोजिशन वन सायड आहलोली हांव ऑपोजिशनार रावलो हांव विजया देखून म्हणटालो आय रिमेंबर आय जस्ट रिमाइंड यू हांव विजया फकाण करतालो तें गोंयकारपण खंय गेलें काय तूं गेलें तूं उलयता तें दुसरे सायडी आसतना काड हें काड तूं गेलें रिकॉर्ड्स काड ऑफ द असेंब्ली आनी चोय ऑपोजिशन आसता ऑपोजिशन रुलींग आसतना रुलींग करपाचें बट रुलींग कितें रॉंग करता तें सांगपाचें आमी कायदा आहा दॅट आय वील नॉट फॉलो
In 2022, what changed? Because in 2017 you said that you are not joining BJP. 2022 कितें चेंज जालें?
हांव इंडिपेंडंट आहा न्ही
हां.
सो म्हाका काम करपाक कोणा जाल्यार जॉयन जावपा पडलें सो आय हॅड टू जॉयन द रुलींग डिस्पेन्सेशन
Or was it because staying in the opposition did not work?
करेक्ट स्टेईंग इन द ऑपोजिशन डजंट वर्क
Hmm.
ना जाल्यार 3 म्हयन्यांनी हे पार्टी सोडून दुसरी पार्टी वचपा न्ही तेजें प्रूव जाता हांव 3 टर्म ऑपोजिशनार रावलो हांवें कितले त्रास काडले म्हाका खबर आहा लोकांक कितको हांवें सोशियल ते ऑपोजिशन रावप म्हळ्यार फकाण न्ही
No, party change as तू उलयता. You started with Save Goa, we went to Congress, then you went to TMC and then you went independent.
ते कितें आहा जाणटो इट इज अ सर्वायवल इन्स्टिंक्ट
Okay.
एक पाट तुका तूं सर्कमस्टेन्सीस
ना तू असो आतां दुसऱ्यांक बेबो म्हणून रावलो तसो हे जालें न्हू आतां तुजें
doesn't matter sometimes you have to experience everything like how I'm experiencing silence also sometimes it's an experience so might as well पण एक wrong करपा जायना जें तूं कोत्ता तुगे बॅड म्हणटें उणी जावपा जाय तुगे सॉरी तुगेलें हय बॅड म्हणटें उणी जावपा जाय आनी गूड म्हणटें चड जावपा जाय गूड जर तर चड जालें तुगे इंटेंशन बरें आहा इफ युअर इंटेंट इज इन प्लेस एवरीथिंग फॉल्स इन प्लेस नो वन कॅन डू एनीथिंग टू
बाबा हे तो डिफेक्टर्स आहा पळय when they leave they say they are doing development of their constituency and of course you have never defected, you may have changed the parties in between मतलब not during the term but the defect resign the defectors they say they are doing it for development and betterment of the constituency. What as a senior MLA, now that this is your 4th term, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah,
and ZP केले दोन टर्म
ZP केला. So the fourth term, how do you feel when such defections happen in Goa? Of course, it is not very new to Goa.
I don't want to criticize somebody, and who am I to judge other person? Yeah. It depends on his circumstances. Second, ते डेव्हलपमेंटाक काम करतात ते हरे कोतले वा ना ते तेणी चोवपाचें बट आय फील दॅट इवन बरे भाशेन तुवें हें केल्यार डिफेक्ट तुवें करप न्ही. यू हॅव टू कीप ग्रावंड. डिफेक्ट म्हणटा इट शूड नॉट बी. यू शूड रिजायन एंड गो. लायक हाव विश्वजीत did. विश्वजीत तेदो रिजायन जावन गेल्लो. ही डिडंट डिफेक्ट. ही रिजायन एंड ही गॉट रिइलेक्टेड. तेदोन तुका हें आहा, सबस्टन्स आहा. तेदोन तुका credibility आहा. I feel that you should not develop, but why? I am not going to criticize them. I am not going to talk for them. Who am I to talk for them? But they should not. I feel that they should not criticize. They should resign and go. And for development, if they want to go, resigning and going for development is better. At least loka sangu jata.
There's a lot of mixed reactions on this Majekar scheme of the government of Goa. This scheme, people talk, is more for migrants than for Goans. What you as a staunch opposition prior to this government, what is your view today on this scheme?
See, I have a feeling. See, my view is like this. I was an attorney of the comunidad. And तेदोना आमी ओपोज करताले. आतां ओपोज करता आसतना आज परिस्थिती इतू जाल्या. इतू वर्स तुमी तांकां कांय डेमोलिश केलें ना. इतू वर्स तुमी कांय केलें ना. सक्सेसीव गव्हर्मेंटान तांकां सपोर्ट केले. सो आज तूं तांकां कितें करतलो? एकूच मातशें म्हाजे घर स्किमींत कुमदादींत रेट मातशें मायज मेळत जालो कुमदादीक. नॉट दॅट 19 वॉटेवर त्यो आतां रेट दिले त्यो न्ही. Rate मायज मेळपाक जाय. or choice of the rate should have been given to the comunidad at least, because all comunidad should have not taken high rates. म्हाका दिसता. Otherwise regularization per se in comunidad, see, no doubt, see, after all, ultimately last time the ruling party used that yani ते तुगेले तेण केलें मायग्रंटा केलो तें. सो दे डीड दॅट टू गेट दॅट भुमिपुत्रा तें केलोलें वोट घेवपाक. सो आतां इट इज फॉर वोट न्ही. सो ते वोटाक लागून कोतलें करपाक जाय. कोण रुलींग पार्टी आहा ती वोटाक लागून कोत्तलीच. आतां रेट जर तर मातशें मायज दिलोली जाल्यार आय डोंट थिंक दॅट शूड बी अ प्रॉब्लम. अदरवायज रेग्युलरायझेशन तूं कोना जाल्यार कितें करतलो? नाल्यार रेग्युलेश करूं जाल्यार डेमोलिश करूं जाय. थोड्यान एडवांटेज घेतल्या.
RGP is saying that you are keeping quiet because you also have Kargil in Kurtori.
कोण?
RGP is saying that Reginald is quiet because he also has a migrant voter base.
तांकां तोंड आहा दुसऱ्यांचें उलोवपाक. तें तोंड आहा. तें फटींग मरे. कित्याक फटींग म्हणटा? तुका कारगिल इज नॉट comunidad land. तूं कितें सांगू सोदिता? कारगिल इज comunidad land?
No, they are accusing म्हणून हांव तुका सांगता. My thing is to ask the question.
अरे बाबा, तांकां खबर आहा कितें तें संवसाराची. तेंगे बुन्यादी सारकी ना. सो आमी तेजी कित्याक उलया? आमी उलयच न्ही तेचेर. I don't want to talk about anybody. Who am I to criticize them? But if they say something to me, I have to reply. So if they say I am keeping quiet because of Kargil, I want to tell them that तेंगे बुन्यादू सारकी ना कोत खबर. चल.
Finish.
आनी दुसऱ्यांचे आनी कितें उलयतलो? सांग.
Reginald Bab, आता last 2 weeks we saw there was a big incident in Goa. Rama Kankondkaraचेर attack जालो. I saw your video criticizing that. Being a ruling MLA, because you have already lended your support, you hold a corporation. What do you think? Where the law and order has gone in Goa today?
See, law and order is one part. Activism is another part. Activismaचेर कितें जालें तें सांगू तुका. आतां एक्टिविजमाचेर उलयता जाल्यार तुका एक पॉयंट सारको गरजेचो. You can't go overboard. जे आतां गोंयकार भाट दिता ही प्रॉपर्टी तुगेली. तो काडटा कोणा दिता? डेल्लीवालो तेका कडेन 10,000 दिता तेका. गोंयकार तेका कडेन 1,000 दिता. तो कोणा दितलो? डेल्लीवाल्याक दितलो. डेल्लीवालो 10,000 घेवन तुगे पुटलें कांय बांदपा ना तेज्या. तो 10,000 आहाय ते 10 लाख करपाचें तेगे प्लॅनिंग आहा. तो मागीर कितें करपा पडटा तें न्ही. इवन इफ he has to bring somebody down, or he has to evict somebody, or he has to even kill somebody, he will do it. तेगे 1 पॉयंट एजेंडा पयशांचो.
हम्म.
सो मुगेले मिडल पाथ म्हणटा ती सारकी. हांवें कुडतोरे सारको इश्यू घेतला. आमगे कुडतोरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी ना, मुगे म्हणा आमगेली लोकांक किती शेतांत म्हजें एलिगेशन जाता हांव शेतकान वटकत म्हणून तें सांगलां तुका आजी न्हू.
चांगलं.
हां सांगितलं. आतां तें काय रिप्लाय दिया. मोड्डा हाय, शेतां हाय, दोंगर हाय. मोड्डांचेर ऑलरेडी लोकांनी घर बांदिल्लीं, लिगल इलिगल बांदिल्लीं आनी शेतांतूय बांदिल्लीं. म्हाका कसलो प्रॉब्लेम ना थिंग कन्वर्शन केलें जाल्यार. सगळें शेतांत आनी दोंगराचेर करपा येना. आतां तुवें म्हणटा म्हाका म्हणलेलें BJN तेदो केल्लें की सेलिंग ऑफ FAR म्हूण केल्लें तेणें TDR.
TDR
वॉज अ गुड थिंग. आय एम इवन फॉर दॅट. कित्याक शेताचो TDR जर तर बिल्डिंगा बांदिलो आनी 50 माड्यान देखून बिल्डींग बांदिलें एटलिस्ट शेत उत्तम आसा. आनी तो दोंगर उत्तम आसा. दोंगराचो आनी शेताचो TDR देखून विंकील जाल्यार आनी मोय देखून बिल्डींग बांदिल्ली जाल्यार 50 फ्लोरांचेर एटलिस्ट आमगे भुरग्यांक हें उदक उत्तम आसा. दोंगर उदकुत्तलो आनी शेत उदकुतलें म्हूण. नाल्यार एक दीस शेतांतूय घर बांदलें, दोंगरार घर बांदलें आनी कितें जातलें तें झारखंड तें कितें हिंग जाता तें जातलें. उत्तराखंड जाता तें.
No, but the
But one
question.
second. Now, आमगेलें एक एक्टिविजम जालें आनी दुसरें लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर म्हणटी इज अ कंटिन्युअस प्रोसेस. आनी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर म्हणटा हांव आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन एकूच सांगता पुलिसांक तुवें जर तर राज कोण मस्ती करता ताका सोडलो हाल तो चड करतलो. सो ओनर्स ऑफ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑन द पुलीस. कितें इन्सिडंट जालो टू ब्रिंग पीपल टू बूक आनी पुलीस शूड गो ओवरबोर्ड. कोण आहा आनी तो चोवपा जायना. एक इन्सिडंट जर तर पुलिसान सारको एक्ट केलो पुलिसांक प्रॉब्लेम जावपा ना. नाल्यार हेज्या मुखार लोक एकठांय जातलो आनी खंय तरी पुलिसांचे हात घालीत तूं भिरांती आहा. खंय खंय इन्सिडंट जावपा लागले आतां लोक एकठांय जावपा लागला. सो एक कोणी एस जातलें. सो पुलिसांगेली रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आहा. फॉरगेट पॉलिटिशियन एंड फॉरगेट एवरीथींग. पुलीस हॅज टू एक्ट इन पुलीस डजंट एक्ट. कोण जाल्यार पुलिसांचे हात घातलो हें मातशें सारकें फ्युचर आहा तेजो.
But do you think there is a mastermind in this?
आतां मास्टरमाइंड इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन. मास्टरमाइंड म्हणटे हितू इन्सिडंट जाले. आमी सदां एसेंब्लींत हांव ऑपोजिशन आसता तें म्हाका विचारलां मरे तें. ऑपोजिशन आसता हांवूय विचारतालो अरे तो मास्टरमाइंड कोण काय म्हणून. आनी तेदो रुलींग गव्हर्मेंट आसतालो तेदो जायती गव्हर्मेंट आसताले आनी आमी आमगे गव्हर्मेंटाक देखून विचारताले मास्टरमाइंड म्हणटा केन्ना हें जायना. केदोन तुका मास्टरमाइंड हें जाला. कितले इन्सिडंट जाले एक पट सांग तूं म्हाका.
तो सापडना केन्ना.
सो मास्टरमाइंड म्हणटा मास्टरमाइंड न्ही. आतां मास्टरमाइंड कोण तो हू एम आय टू जज. आय एम नोबडी टू जज. आतां कोण मास्टरमाइंड आतां somebody has to pinpoint him. And once he's pinpointed, investigation should be done. So anyway, जें कोणी केलां तें सारकें केलां. कोणूय जर तर मास्टरमाइंड आहा तें सारकें केलां. देर आर वेज ऑफ डुईंग इट. आमी कितले जाणांनी ऑपोजिशन केलां आनी जर तर केलो ना आनी अबायत जाता दॅट इज ऑल्सो रॉंग. पूण पुलिसांची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी पुलिसांनी घेवपा जाय. लॉ एंड ऑर्डर दे हॅव टू प्रोटेक्ट एंड इफ दे डोंट प्रोटेक्ट थिंग्स वील गो आउट ऑफ हँड. बिकॉज वॉट वील हॅपन आय एम टेलिंग यू. आज 10,000 रेट आहा ती 10 लाख जातली. व्हडली पार्टी येतले आनी असो इन्सिडंट हेज्या मुखार वयतले. म्हणजे हें आज हें जातलें एक माफिया जातली आनी कितें जातली. सो पुलिसान आतां एक्शन घेवपा जाय नाजाल्यार एक दीस पुलिसांक त्रास जातले.
Reginald, coming to your corporation, GIDC, the main question I want to ask you is...
Ask me many questions.
No, I want to ask you only 2 questions in this. One thing is, you are corporation, you as a chairman is allotting land to industries, okay? As a corporation, head of a corporation, is there any mechanism to find out whether how many Goans are employed by these industries?
First, I want to tell you that more than 65% of the land, 70% of the land we are going by auction. Allotment I bond kela. We are taking auction process to the JAM portal. So there is no question of any interference. It's all online. Even the orders, the allotment orders are going online. They're going by auto-generated. There is no interference, human interference. First part. Second part, there is a mechanism and government has been writing to them and they already No, they have got some tentative figures. There are so many Goans who are there in the industry. There are so many Goan entrepreneurs also having industries. I always fight with them. Employ Goans one. And they have always been assuring it. Last week we had a general body of the Verna Association. Even there we raised the issue. Baba, तुम्ही गोंयकारांक जॉब दिवपाक कितें करताय? तुमकां सगळी फॅसिलिटी दिताय आमी. तुमी कितें करताय? तर ते मागीर सांगताय आमी अमकें दिल म्हण. And mechanism, सगळ्यांकडे detail, labor department is asking the companies detail to ask how many laborers are appointed. सगळ्यांक letter गेलो. I think they should be having some information.
But as a GIDC chairman and IDC being the premier corporation which looks into all these allotments and maintaining the industrial estates, can't you develop skilled Goan workers? Because this shortage, खूप जाता ही shortage company खूप जाता. That is why they are going to the other states and advertising. IDC can't do anything in this. Like how they did in Mopa, they had a skill development center. Can't we have something by the IDC at the industrial estates?
IDC is not technical. IDC is not having any technical expertise. No? I mean, college now.
But at least it can find out what is the shortage and where is the demand for which workers.
That is, industries department has to do that part. They have to do. Industry department, my skill department, my education department has to do that part, and they are doing it also. They are having skill development. They are having courses for asking industries. They are doing it. There is a mechanism where government is checking up what jobs are coming and technical courses kottat. So I feel that government also is doing their part. But if something more can be done, I think GIDC will not be able to do it, because GIDC is only for specific purpose.
The mandate is different.
Mandate is different.
Okay. What has happened to the SEZ land?
SEZ land was returned back. Only one. I think only one land is left. Rest everything we have got it back. Before me, we had got it back. They have paid something to the. Some things I think has been paid, and all land is settled except one. And all the SEZ land we are auctioning. Not single land of SEZ we are giving by allotment. And we have got a good rate also for that. In Verna we have got 5,000, more than 10,000, 11,000, and we have got good rates on auctioning process. And
most of this SEZ,
the basic rate is 5,800 per square.
Most of this SEZ land was taken forcefully from farmers and other people. Comunidades also. Why not hand it over, return it back to the original owners?
That is a government decision. And first upon all, एक part acquire केली for I don't think in the previous history कोणागेली पोतून दिल्या.
I can show you 10 cases of denotification of lands.
Before final acquisition.
Yeah. No, even after acquisition, I'll show you how many have been denotified.
I have no idea.
For government projects, the lands were taken, acquired, and then denotified.
No, but paid,
yeah,
acquisition paid?
Yeah.
I don't know, I have my doubts.
It can be done.
There's nothing that cannot be done.
I'll show you the cases. Finally, I'm coming to the last question. 2021, what is your plan?
2027,
sorry.
27.
27. What is your plan? Will Reginald stay with BJP or will go independent again?
I will see what happens is 2027 is few years to go. I talk about it.
Only 18 months, not even 18 months.
1 second. 18 months, 18 days also things can change. Last time I changed in 18 days also. But it's not that.
You changed twice though.
No, we will take a just decision. And one thing with a basic motto, आमगे लोकांक बरें करपाक आनी बरें चड करपाक वाश्ट कितें जर तर जाता चुकोन करपा इंटेंट ना, आमगे इंटेंट क्लीन आहा, वायट जर जाता तें सारकें उणें जावपा जाय तें आनी दिसपा जायना, आनी बरें कोन्न बरें नांव दवरपाचें हें आमगे प्रयत्न आसतलो, हेजेर तूं कॉम्प्रमायज ना. आनी म्हाका कोणाचें उलोवपा नाका. आज I have learnt one thing. It took me 55 years of my life to learn not to criticize people. So today I तुगे इंटरव्यू कोणाक क्रिटिसायज केलें ना. इवन तुवें त्या आजी खबर उरली हांवें क्रिटिसायज केलें ना ताका, तुवें म्हणलो हांवें तांकां रिप्लाय दिल्या. आनी तुवें म्हाका सांगिल्लें तेणी मळमळ रिप्लाय दिल्या नाजाल्यार हांव कोणाक क्रिटिसायज करपाक रेडी ना कित्याक लायफान एक शिकलो इतू वर्सांनी की कोणाक क्रिटिसायज करप ना तेंगे सर्कमस्टन्सीस ते जाणाय कितें वायट करता आमच्या वयर कोण आहा
बट डू यू थिंक
वन सेकंड आनी बरें केलें जाल्यार कोणाक भिवपाची गरज ना
गरज ना हे मात शिकलो तू सीएमा कडेन डू यू थिंक being going hand in hand with BJP will be a disadvantage for you in 27?
तुगे इंटेंट बरें जाल्यार आनी बरें काम केलें जाल्यार एडवांटेज डिसएडवांटेज म्हणटी आसना बिकॉज हिस्ट्री हेज प्रूव्ड that if you do good work and if your intent is good and if your intensivity and your integrity is politician integrity म्हणटी चड येवपाक ना सो वन एबव द रेस्ट इंटेग्रिटी उरल्यार म्हाका स्वताक कोणाच्यान तुगे कांय करपाक ना आनी हांव हें कोन्न दाखयतलो बरे भाशेन सदां बरें काम कोन्न कोण कितें उलयता तो उलय न्ही पण तूं आनी हांव हिंगा आहाय इज फॉर अ रिजन तूं समनाका तुजे आनी म्हजें उलोवपाक मनीस ना तुजे आनी म्हजें उलयस मनीस जायते आहाय उलोवपाचें पण आमी बरें काम करया आनी बरें करपाक वावरया जात तितू बरें एक्जिस्टींग सर्कमस्टन्सीस टेकिंग द मिडल पाथ यू कॅन टेक एक्स्ट्रीम बिलो आनी एक्स्ट्रीम हाय ऑल्सो यू कॅन टेक बिकॉज एक्स्ट्रीम हाय आनी एक्स्ट्रीम बिलो गेल्यार तूं आनी कांय जावपा ना मुखार तितू उरतलो बरें करया आनी एक उतर दी तुका बरें करपाक आनी बरें काम करून दाखयतलो उरतरी मुगेली आमगेली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आहा ती मॉडल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी करपाक वावरतलो 80% हांव सांगूं शकता हांव करतलो म्हण 20% आय लीव इट टू गॉड आय लीव इट टू एवरीबडी बट 80% आय वील डू माय बेस्ट टू डू इट नेक्स्ट टायम नेक्स्ट इलेक्शनाक बरे भाशेन बरे कडेन रावन काम करपाक दॅट्स इट
Is there a proposal from BJP to join?
No. I cannot join the BJP. But then
You can support and you cannot join.
no, see, amge constituency pade ha ti it's I would not personally I would not join the BJP.
Okay.
I would go independent. But
Again.
I mean no again म्हणजे preferably independent कित्याक you know why because BJP चे I
You have this offers from some other parties?
ना म्हाका कोणाक पार्टी ना आनी हांव कोणाक टाची ना बट
So you are happy extending support from outside to the BJP?
I cannot say I'm happy म्हणल्यार कितें आसता तुका जायत जाय बट आय एम कंटेंट म्हणजे बरें काम
You are
करपाक
content with IDC?
No, I'm not content with the IDC. I'm content with the work I do.
Yeah.
You have to be content with the work, not with the IDC. If you are content with the IDC, then you will not be able to do work. So there is no question. Mak minister kita naka. Why you are saying IDC content म्हणून? Minister kita naka. Mak कितें आनी बरें नाका. But that's not the case. काम बरें करूं मेळ्ळ्यार पुरो. आनी मुखार देखून व्हडले पोस्ट व्हडले हांकां I am not being a king maker. I am not being a यें कितें ब्रोकर पावर ब्रोकर जालो ना हांव. तुवें केन्नाच हांव सदां MLA रावलां सदां हें रावलां कॉर्पोरेशन रावलां सदांच पूण काम केलां कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी पावर आनी डिसिजन घेवपाक मेजर डिसिजन घेवपाक गोंयांत मुगे कांय हात ना कोण तुमचे कितें उलय तूं खंयचें डिसिजन मेजर डिसिजन जालें पीपल आर एगेन्स्ट तितूंत मुगे हात कांय ना हांव सदां सकलो रावलां काम केलां बट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन हांवें बरें काम केलां
There's a lot to talk to Alex Reginald, but we have restrictions of time. But whatever we asked him, he has given us such accurate answers, and he has been very crisp in talking. He has been very, very shrewd, very
you
sharp.
have not told me which questions you would ask also.
Very shrewd, very, very sharp. We actually, most of you would be satisfied what he has answered. We wish him all the best for his future for 2027. We know he's a good leader, he's a good social worker. We see him in the fields. He has been doing a lot of work.
And will do also.
He continues to do that. Dev Bari Original Bab.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर